Okay, guys, so we're here under the truck. This is a 2003 Toyota Tacoma, roughly 160,000 miles. As you can tell, look at this bushing. See how it's all busted?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this. See that?
Look at that.
Right, Della?
Right.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look, what is this? Look at this. It's all jelly looking in there, okay?
Jelly.
So,
You guys can't see it on the phone, but it's
what we got here, we got these energy bushings. We got two bushings. We
Dad,
got
there's
this
a
slip right here.
spider.
Huh?
Spider.
Leave the spider alone to find his way home.
I want to kill
Leave
it.
the spider alone. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got this one that goes here. We got this one that goes right here. And then we have this one right here that goes right here. Now, we do have a problem here.
What?
This truck is being lifted through here, so we have a diff drop. So we're going to have to probably take the spacer off the diff and raise the diff up so we can be able to take this bolt. Because now the diff is down and it won't allow us to drop the bolt out. We're going to try to see if we can get it down without it. But for the time being, we're just going to leave it the way it is for now.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
So, first is first, we're going to have to take this off in order to move the rack and pinion.
Daddy,
Yeah, what?
there's a problem, guys.
What's the
The
problem?
phone's a little too high, and oh no, you guys saw my finger. They saw my finger.
That's right. Is it a big finger or a small finger?
I don't know.
All right. Alrighty. Well, let's close that. We'll come back in a second.
Okay. Bye, guys. Hello, guys. We're back.
So
Ready.
we took the sway bar. Show them this right here.
Oh, this. Oh, yeah. We took
We
this
took
one.
that off right there.
Yeah.
Got two bolts right here, 12 millimeter by on the inside, and it's got a 17
There.
right there, right there. Bam. Take that off. Now
Ma'am.
we're gonna go ahead and loosen this sucker up right here.
Okay. Watch.
Come on.
By the way, I was taking forever. I was doing something, but my dad took it off without me,
Okay.
and then he was just waiting for me to get back to record.
Okay, I guess it can go both ways, but upwards. Okay.
Okay.
So we took that off. See that?
So that we took that.
We took that bolt right here. Those are 19, 19, 19, 22. That's it.
22.
19, 19,
19.
22, 22 right here.
Guys, I have a problem.
Yeah, what's the problem?
Oh no. The problem is, I need to put the phone down.
Why is that?
I need to do something. Hammer that in there, Daddy.
It's hitting the diff right there.
The disc. What's
Right.
a disc?
The diff right there.
Dad, you want to use my pillow? Oh no, I'm too close. Ew.
Oh. Yo.
Daddy, you freak these people out.
Look, yo. Look at this.
Dad, you're to freak the people out.
Look at this.
It's wobbly. Daddy, I'm going to set the phone down.
Okay, you can turn it off for now.
Okay, well, bye guys. We'll see you later. Stage 3. Stage 3. Bye.
Alright guys, so
We're back.
rack is loose, as you can tell.
Oh,
It's just hooked up right there.
Dad, they saw my big finger.
Okay. Don't show your big finger. So now we're gonna pop those older, you see, like this one right here.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can use the hammer and just
This
cut
is
it.
stage 3. Whoopsies.
Yeah, see? I need to bring these rackopedias a little more out.
Good.
There you go. See that?
Oh, that just bombed down. Like,
You see that?
yeah.
And you just take this right here.
Sorry, guys, if I keep doing
You
that.
see it?
Yeah, I see it. Oh.
See that? That's the old one.
Oh, look at that.
Show them how busted this one is. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
You see that?
Yeah, look at that.
And then we're gonna do this one. Now in order to do this one, we're gonna have to cut this mold, this rubber deal right here. See that, Della?
Yeah, we need to cut that rubber.
Yeah.
That rubber right there. You guys can't see it very well, but
Yeah.
cut that rubber off. Oh, yeah. See that?
Just
rubber?
don't cut your finger, kids.
Yes, don't cut your fingers. I always open boxes, but I watch them set them up and
See that?
so yes, that's so bad. Yeah.
What are you saying over there, crazy?
Nothing.
There you go.
You got it?
Yep. So now what we gotta do is just pop this other one out.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Look, watch. See it? You think this right here?
Daddy, just saw your whole dad's head. Did you hit your finger?
Huh?
Did you hit your finger?
Nah.
You didn't. You sure you didn't? Hey, keep saying your bald head.
All right.
Your bald head out of here. Your bald head. Dad, your bald head's in the way. You're really in the way of everything. Oh no,
It is?
My finger's in the way. My finger's in the way of everything.
All right.
Everything's so complicated.
Everything's complicated?
Yes.
I don't
Dad,
think so.
can I pause the video?
Go ahead.
Okay, bye guys. We'll be back on stage 4. Bye.
Okay, guys, so here it is. We got the bushing right here. Don't forget to put this washer right here because I almost put it in and I forgot the washer. So this actually, when I took it off, it did have an extra washer. So I put the front washer in the back and I put the new washer in the front. I don't think it really matters. It overlaps the bushing, so you'll be okay. And you got that bushing right there. And if you can tell on top there. And then we got this one right here. And then kind of sucky because see, I got the 3-inch lift. I have the spacers. You see that? So this bolt, it was hitting the diff right here. So I have to loosen up the diff. It was 1, 2, and 3. And then 1, 2. So, yeah. And then you can just raise it up. I'm not going to lie. It was a little bit of a challenge. Never done one. I'm working from the ground. I got Monica over there on the lift, so, you know, I don't really want to put this big old truck on the lift, you know. But it's so high off the ground that it's probably easy. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just going to go ahead and put the what's it called it, the sway bar back in. And that's the old bushing right here. Kind of give you an idea.
Daddy.
See how it's got that washer on it?
Daddy. Sorry, guys.
That's why they provide you a washer with, because one of them is already in there.
Sorry if I'm interrupting, but Daddy.
See how busted and brutal this thing is?
Yep.
And then, see, it's all... You need help or what?
Yes, I need help.
So, to conclude our install, this is what it takes to do a, not a very long, you know, install. Just take your time. Like I said, you got some 19. 1, 2, 3. You got a 22. You got this sucker right here, 17. And you got these two right here, 12 millimeter. That's pretty much it. And then if you want to do these suckers, also 19 as well. And that pretty much concludes our install with this bushing. So thanks for watching. If you like our video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and feel free to comment down below all the mess up things that we did wrong, and we can correct it for the future. But again, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Till next time. God bless.
Bye.
What? What are you hiding?
Hello.
What are you hiding?
Food.
Okay, you want to say bye to everybody?
Bye, guys. Don't forget, you're awesome.
Oh boy, doesn't she drive great? That's a tight steering rack right there, Della.
Right there.
Right there, girl.
Right there, girl.
Damn, I'm about to take this trim right now.
40 miles an hour. What do you think, huh? Beast mode?
Beast mode.
That's right, beast mode. Well, look like the bushing upgrade fixed the play in the rack. So now we're back in business.
Yeah, we're back in business.
I know, you see that light blinking? You know what it is. There's no seatbelt. I'm a bad seat, right, Della?
Right.
I should probably put my seatbelt on.